The Cymru Refugee Football Project was set up from going into the community, seeing them play local park football without any structure, without any affiliation, no insurance, just playing, no goals. They're playing with bags and jackets, if you like, as goals. We got funding from Sport Wales and we've set up an 11-a-side football league with 6 teams from various different nationalities. We ordered the kit, we've ordered equipment, we made sure each team had a set of kit for the squad of 15 to 20, whatever they had. We made sure they had a bag of footballs, 10 to 12 footballs, they had bibs, cones, anything that they needed to have training sessions before their games.
We've been involved in other leagues where we felt as if we were not actually getting involved in whatever was happening, whether it's fixtures or things like that. So to have our own league is definitely an advantage to us.
The funding from Sports Wales has been a massive help towards the project, because when I first approached the community groups, the thing echoing around the community group was the funding. They can't afford this, they can't afford that. So I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to get everyone involved, making sure all the players are playing together, making it enjoyable and fun, helping them improve their social skills and language skills, being part of a team, feeling important, and when they win something towards the end of the day, celebrating something with their community group and being recognised, if you like, more in the city that they're in.